Quality for the Mustang wheel spacers are exactly the same. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Ford Mustang wheel spacers installed. Install hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and unlike a nut can hold it first against the mounting blade. These Ford Mustang wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for the tight fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Ford Mustang wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Ford Mustang wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Ford Mustang wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best Ford Mustang wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS Ford multi-stage hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metering is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Ford Mustang wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS Ford multi-stage hub-centric Ford Mustang wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS Ford active cooling Ford Mustang wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grills to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these grills allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, improving safety. Also, the BONOSS Ford Mustang wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.